Hey everybody, it's 2:17 and 47 seconds, November 15th. Sorry for the little delay here. As you can see from the video, I posted in the comments. First time I tried to run mini6, it just froze on the first roll. So again, here are the 20 filled spots, same as before. Okay, here are the 20 filled spots, same as before. Alright, again, xmen and mini6. Whoever comes in first place gets the first 5 open spots. Whoever comes in, having quite a day right now with this computer. Whoever comes in second place gets the next 2 open spots. Whoever comes in third gets the next single open spot. So let's roll the dice. Number is 12. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here comes the final one. 12. Wow, Brody Stokely's having a day with my minis. Brody Stokely, Mike Heisenberg, Brody Stokely. Congratulations. Time is 2:18, 2:19, and 1